how did you think about the woman in midlife specifically? I mean, one of my biggest frustrations as a doctor is that I can tell a patient exactly what to eat and nothing changes. What makes Ladle different with respect to nutrition advice? I mean, I think we should all put the elephant in the room, or just the thing that people may not know is we as physicians have no education on nutrition. Like, I have no training on nutrition. What I have learned has been through my obesity clinic, has been with working with nutritionists in eating disorder clinic, in morbid obesity clinic, and listening to lay people's lectures. I think that with Ladle, there's so much amazing opportunity and customization. So please share what you've, thought about with the woman in midlife.
So there are a couple ways I can address this, right? When one, you're talking about women in midlife in terms of the nutritionist piece, and then the other piece is how do we make their lives easier? Because as we mentioned, women in midlife are dealing with lots of things. Like life is busy. Juggling jobs and careers, kids. You're juggling, aging parents. We are
Aaron's.
the sandwich generation, right? And luckily, we're adding a recipe, a meal planner that will allow people to plan ahead of time. But nonetheless, it's really stressful. Like time is short. And so we're adding a lot of things to our mobile first web app that makes it easier. And I'm actually really proud about this is you have the ability to come to Ladle, choose a recipe, personalize it, and order ingredients on Instacart all within 60 seconds. So really excited about that. So one is we are making it easy and simple for people to do. You come, you can choose a goal like hormonal health, you can get a bunch of recipes, you have step-by-step instructions to cook the recipe. So again, getting feedback from women, we've gotten to hear from what is important to them, what would make their lives easier. So they're recommending features like what's in your kitchen. You take a photo of your refrigerator and we can tell you what to cook with the ingredients in your refrigerator. Or you can take a recipe, you can personalize it, and you can order ingredients from Instacart. So from your favorite store, you can get the ingredients and you can work with that. In terms of the nutrition piece, what we are doing is when we're doing more and more work around this is we have curated these recipes based on your preferences. So if you go to Ladle, you have goals like hormonal health or heart health and other health goals. It'll show you all the recipes that fall under that. So those recipes are following guidelines, across macros, across ingredients, and we're actually going deeper. This is where technology is really helpful because we can figure out what are the parameters we want to set up. We're going to start adding micronutrients and all the other stuff to make it actually better and better. And the thing important to also understand, Dr. Yan, is Ladle is also a nutrition adherence platform. So we are actually working with some health organizations for different metabolic conditions. So menopause is one of them, but then you can also think about, diabetes and others, right? Where based on what you're cooking and eating, we break down, what nutrition you're getting versus what is recommended for you. And then, we can actually see how that is adhering to that and how that impacts your health. So Ladle, the app, is built on that same platform. And as we build more of that adherence piece of it, that's going to go back into Ladle. So women over time will be able to see that, hey, when I'm eating this way, how is that impacting my health and what can I improve? So both with the ease of use, the features, the ability that this solution has been designed by a woman just like you, and the fact that it is based on a backbone that is focused on nutrition. It is a solution that we are building for women who are going through perimenopause and menopause.
I think that's amazing and so useful and important. And I love that, you're helping women's lives be easier. That is part of, the goal of PandiaHealth is to make women's lives better and to make women's lives easier by providing access to expert care wherever you have
Correct.
internet and a mailbox. And it sounds like you're bringing nutrition to wherever Instacart can deliver, but also wherever women can get help with recipes and meal
Right.
planning. And it's not just women, it's everybody in the household.
Yeah, and actually, to your point there, accurately, I mean, as much as I don't like the sexism around that, but women tend to bring things into the household, right? I mean, we are the primary caregivers for our children typically, right? So if we are eating healthier, they're eating healthier. And has number of my colleagues and advisors and people have told me, my wife, based on what she cooks, we all eat better. The thing is, it's not just for women. Our focus is on women in perimenopause and menopause. But again, anyone can come and basically tell us their parameters and they can cook healthier for themselves. So yeah, really excited about that. And I think I also have to admit that I'm really excited to see the fact that today we have the ability. I mean, that is where things like these LLMs are helping us, right? We can take large amounts of data and we can actually pull it together and do something specific to a small task. But the biggest thing that I really love is the ability for it to personalize it specifically. What is right for you is different from me, from what is different for somebody else. So apart from that and what we learn about you, we can really actually personalize that experience for you.